Hey guys, this is a CRAFTSMAN 16-inch. This is definitely not a toy. This is about a 6-inch, 7-inch log. Goes all the way up to like probably 12 inches that I'm cutting. So yeah, I just filled it up with oil, tension it, and it's like ready within 5 minutes. And man, does it beat a 2-stroke. All that pulling and crap. I don't know if you saw that. Let me turn it a little bit. You can see me cutting the log, right? Right there. Okay. This is about up to 8 inches now. Yeah, so no cutting out and pulling that freaking string all the time. I would say it's a pretty good buy. Thank you.
Watch. There. Now see it moves all the way. Well, what does that do? Well, that pushes over here on this little. So this little box was in this little chamber, and so I noticed that this button here. See how it clicks? It wasn't clicking before. It was stuck inside the box. So then I unscrewed the box, and I opened the box right there. You can see now there's a gap, and now it clicks fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to shave off a little bit of that plastic opening right there where the clicker goes in so it can't get stuck. I think it was stuck on the top of the plastic. And if it can freely come out and go in, then there should be no more problem.
Yeah, this